Ballistic missile. Now, repeat after me. Ballistic missile, ballistic missile, ballistic missile. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning. A ballistic missile is a weapon designed to deliver a warhead to a specific target by following a high-arching and unpowered trajectory. These missiles are launched into space and then fall back down toward their target, using gravity to propel them. Ballistic missiles are often used for long-range attacks and can carry various types of warheads, including conventional and nuclear. Think of it like this. A ballistic missile travels like a thrown ball, going up high and then descending, guided by gravity to reach its target. In a sentence, the country tested a new ballistic missile capable of reaching distant targets. Here, ballistic missile refers to the weapon used to deliver warheads over long distances. Let's try another example. Ballistic missiles follow a curved path, reaching high altitudes before descending onto their targets. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using ballistic missile. Synonyms. Some related terms for ballistic missile are long-range missile, a missile designed to reach distant targets. ICBM, intercontinental ballistic missile, a specific type of ballistic missile with a very long range capable of reaching other continents. Antonyms. The opposite of ballistic missile, in terms of type, would be cruise missile, a missile that flies at a lower altitude and is powered throughout its journey, guided toward its target. Surface-to-air missile, a missile designed to target objects in the air, such as aircraft. Part of speech. Ballistic missile is a noun referring to a weapon that travels a high arched path to reach a target. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.